Amy Slayton is letting the world know she's grateful. In a heartfelt and unexpected update, the 1000lb Sisters star opened up in a way fans haven't seen in a long time. Through subtle social media cues, behind-the-scenes clips, and raw, unfiltered emotional moments, Amy is finally revealing just how much love and support has helped her through one of the most intense and life-changing periods of her life. From heartbreak to healing, Amy's journey has been anything but easy, but she's proving that gratitude can shine even in the darkest chapters. And now, she's making it clear, she sees every message, every comment, every bit of kindness from her supporters around the globe. After years of fighting for her health, her family, and her happiness, Amy is beginning to see the light at the end of the tunnel. But this transformation hasn't been a solo mission. Fans of 1000lb Sisters know just how intense the last year has been for Amy. The dramatic breakup with estranged husband Michael Halterman, the shocking engagement with new boyfriend Brian, the fierce custody battle over her two sons, Gage and Glay, and the non-stop public scrutiny would break most people. But Amy, she's held on, and she's crediting her resilience to those who've stood by her side through it all. In a series of emotional TikToks, Amy has been quietly showing appreciation for what she calls her silent army, the fans who never gave up on her, even when she nearly gave up on herself. Each video, often set to soft background music or childhood lullabies, tells a story without words. One post showed a compilation of candid shots, Amy with her boys at the park, Amy laughing over a cup of coffee with her sister Tammy, Amy whipping away tears as she watches old home videos of Gage's first steps. It's these quiet moments that speak louder than any headline ever could. What's even more powerful is the caption she chose for her most recent post, "You've helped me find myself again. Thank you." Fans immediately flooded the comment section, many sharing their own stories of struggle, survival, and strength. The connection between Amy and her supporters is more than just a TV relationship. For many, she's a symbol of hope. She's the woman who faced her demons on camera. She's the mother who broke generational cycles. She's the sister who never gave up, even when the odds were stacked against her. Sources close to Amy say this emotional gratitude didn't come out of nowhere. Behind the scenes, Amy has been working on healing, not just physically, but emotionally. Her team reportedly encouraged her to start journaling, meditating, and reaching out to the people who matter most. This included mending strained family ties, especially with relatives who had previously criticized her life choices. It wasn't easy, but Amy was determined to show appreciation to everyone who helped her grow, even if their love came in the form of tough truth. One particularly touching moment occurred during a recent family get-together off camera. According to insiders, Amy stood up in front of her relatives and gave an impromptu speech. "I just want to say thank you," she reportedly told them, her voice shaking. "Not just for being here today, but for being here when I didn't think I could keep going. For watching the boys when I had nothing left in the tank. For yelling at me when I needed to wake up. For believing I could be better." Tammy Slayton, Amy's sister and longtime co-star, was seen tearing up as Amy spoke. The two sisters have shared a complicated bond, equal parts fierce loyalty and explosive conflict. But lately, fans have noticed a softer dynamic between them. Tammy has stood by Amy's side through her breakup, through the struggles of single motherhood, and through the pain of public judgment. Their shared weight loss journey created a bond that few can understand. And now, as both women move into a new phase of life, their mutual respect is stronger than ever. It's not just family Amy is thanking. She's also taken time to show appreciation to the TLC crew that made 1000lb Sisters possible. Although there have been rumors of behind-the-scenes drama, Amy has always been quick to defend the crew members who treated her with kindness. "Y'all never made me feel ashamed," she once shared in an Instagram story. "Even when I couldn't get through a full shoot without breaking down, you still helped me feel human." Production insiders confirm that Amy has made lasting friendships with several members of the crew, some of whom have helped her outside the show, including organizing therapy appointments and offering emotional support when cameras stopped rolling. For Amy, it's not about being a reality star, it's about being seen, understood, and accepted. And those who offered that during her hardest moments are now etched in her heart. In an industry where celebrity gratitude often feels rehearsed or performative, Amy's appreciation feels genuine. Fans point to her recent posts not as promotion, but as reflection. One post featured a handwritten letter Amy wrote to herself, an open message about growth and self-worth. It read, in part, "Dear Amy, I'm proud of you. You didn't quit, even when you cried yourself to sleep, even when the world laughed, even when you thought love would never come again, you kept loving. You kept going. I love you." Fans were stunned. The letter went viral, receiving over 500,000 likes and more than 20,000 comments. Many said they were moved to tears, praising Amy's vulnerability and raw honesty. Mental health advocates also applauded the message, calling it an important step in destigmatizing self-love and emotional healing, especially for women recovering from trauma and body shaming. But appreciation doesn't end there. Amy has also shown love to her kids' teachers, thanking them publicly for being supportive during her transition to single motherhood. She even donated supplies to Glenn's preschool and delivered homemade cupcakes on Teacher Appreciation Week. One teacher shared a sweet message on Facebook, "Amy Slayton isn't just a mom on TV. She's a mom who shows up. A mom who cares. A mom who bakes cupcakes at 2 a.m. because her baby said his teacher loves chocolate." It's clear that Amy's journey is no longer just about weight loss. It's about reclaiming dignity. It's about building back what was broken. And most importantly, it's about saying thank you, to herself, to her boys, to her fans, and to the world that watched her fall and rise again. Her latest post suggests she's finally at peace with her past and ready for whatever's next. That next chapter might be even more inspiring. While Amy hasn't confirmed another season of 1000 LB Sisters, sources say she's working on a side project that could include a memoir or even a wellness podcast focused on self-healing and motherhood. In a recent live stream, Amy teased, "I got something big in the works, y'all. And it's all 'cause you believed in me when I didn't even believe in myself." Her fans are ready. They've watched her cry, laugh, scream, and grow. And now, they're watching her smile again, genuinely, fully, with gratitude in her heart. For Amy Slayton, appreciation isn't just a word. It's a way of life. One she's choosing to live out loud, one brave post at a time. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.